You clicked on this video for a reason: to invite friends in ARC Raiders in 2025 without the invites failing, disappearing, or forcing you into solo matches. I got you. So stick with me. I'll show how the invite system actually works, where to send invites from, and the fixes if it doesn't work right away. First thing to understand, ARC Raiders uses platform-based invites, not join codes. That means everyone needs to be on the same platform ecosystem and fully updated. If one player is even a version behind, invites won't show up at all. To invite friends, load into the main hub and open the Social/Friends menu. From there, invite directly from your platform friends list. Once they accept, you'll see them appear in your squad before matchmaking starts. Make sure you form the squad before queuing. If you start matchmaking too early, the game can lock the party and prevent late joins. Wait until everyone is visible in the squad, then queue together. If invites aren't appearing, quick fixes that work. Restart the game, reopen the launcher, and resend the invite from the social menu instead of quick inviting. Also, double-check your platform privacy settings. Friend invites and multiplayer joins must be enabled. Pro tip: designate one person as party leader and have everyone else stay idle in the hub. Swapping leaders mid-session can break invites and force requeues. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your platform and what's not working, and I'll help you fix it.